014 Division. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 2 Division USA, calling CQ.
Hey, QSL 100%. Your signal is 5x5 in the USA, very good signal. The personal name on this end is Ken. The personal name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. The numbers are 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. We are in the state of Tennessee, USA, North America. Back to you, sir. QSL, well, I'll tell you what, it's good to hear Europe in there. It's good to hear the conditions picking up and Europe's coming in there. And like I say, I heard you down on the triple nickel there, and I'm glad you came in there. I followed you down here to see if I can make a contact with you. I'm kind of surprised that the conditions opened up there. Definitely sounding good out here in the state of Tennessee. Operator Ken, back to you, sir. Hey, QSL, I'm talking on a President Jackson with an Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air. And the President Lincoln you're talking on sounding real good. Mother Nature propagation is dropping in and out. But you're definitely coming over here in the state of Tennessee, USA there, QSL.
Okay, Ken, no problem. Cool, sir. Radio 5 on 2 signal 2. Okay, my friend, Ken.
QSL, very good signal on you. Conditions are holding in real well, and you're making a good trip. We've got beautiful weather out here today. We've had kind of like fall type conditions at nighttime. Real cool at nighttime. It got down into 46 degrees here several nights, and we've been enjoying this type of weather there. You're definitely doing a good job there. I hope these conditions hold up there so I can get back to you there, QSL. Back to you. QSL, well, I'll tell you what, it looks like conditions are definitely dropping out. I did not get all of that, but I do want to wave a hand here while I can and send all the numbers to you while we're still in contact, and definitely let you know I appreciate you coming back to me there and making the trip over here in the state of Tennessee. I'll send all my numbers to you from my house to yours. It's been a pleasure on this end making a trip to you. And you got 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We'll be QSY on your final. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Called all that 100%. Take care. Been a pleasure. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We QSY.